Well, hello. Welcome to Math Maras, where we talk about math and more math and everything in between math. Today, we will be talking about 6th, 7th, and 8th grade algebra. Okay, once again, welcome to Math Maras. Today, we're talking about 6th, 7th, and 8th grade algebra. Before we continue, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video so other students can benefit from this tutoring. Okay, today we're going to be talking about basic math algebra, algebraic expressions. Okay, algebraic expressions. Okay, algebraic expressions. So whenever you hear me say is, I'm talking about equals. Whenever you hear me say product of, I'm talking about multiplication, times table. Whenever you hear me say less, I'm talking about being subtraction, being less than. Whenever you hear me say divided by, of course, it's division. And whenever you hear me say more, of course, we're talking about plus. So once again, this is 6th, 7th, and 8th grade algebra. And today, we're going to be writing each phrase as an algebraic expression. So whenever you hear me say is, then I'm asking for an equal sign. Whenever you hear me say product of, it's multiplication. Less, of course, subtraction. Divided by, it's divided by. And when you hear me say more, well, we're talking about plus. So let's go ahead and start with problem number 1. If I say 3 less than x, 3 less than x, well, basically I'm saying 3 less than x would be x minus 3 because I said less, okay? Another thing, whenever you have less, whenever you have the word less divided or more, whenever you have those words, the number's going to go on your right hand side, and the letter's going to go on your left hand side. Okay? So right now I said right now I said 3 less than x. So 3 will go on this side, less than x. So it's x minus 3. Okay? That's the algebraic expression. If we were to write it down, it would be 3 less than x. Okay? So if we have less, and I have less over here, it's telling me to put the number on the right hand side and the letter on the left hand side. Okay? And the less right here. Let's go on to problem number 2. Okay, n divided by 7. N divided by 7. So I have divided, so the letter n will be on this side. N divided by 7. So it's n divided by 7. All right, let's go on to the next problem. What if I say the product of 10 and 9? The product of 10 and 9. Well, here we're looking for the word product of. Product of means times table. So the product of 10 and 9 would be 10 times 9. This is the problem, okay? Let's go on to the next one. Number 4. 5 more than A. All right. 5 more than A. Okay. I have more. More. So it's going to be plus. Okay. 5 more than A. So if I have more, the number's going to go on your, I know it's going to be plus because it's saying more. The number's going to go on the right hand side. So it's 5 and it's A. So 5 more than A. So whenever your teacher asks you to write each phrase as an algebraic expression, this is what they want. This is what they're looking for right here. Okay? They'll probably give you these words, but make sure that you write the problem like this side. Okay, let's see. The product of 3 and n is 12. The product, another one, the product of 3, so product would be a times table. So the product of 3 and n is 12. So it'll be, number 5 will be the product of n and 3 is 12. The product, so we know it's times table, of the product of n, no, the product of 3, I'm sorry. The product of 3 and n is 12. All right, the product of 3 and n is 12. So it'll be the product of 3 and n is 12. The product of 3 and n is 12. So we say 3x n equals 12. Let's not forget to subscribe.